Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to make your images more HD in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. Now you can see that this image is not HD. You can see the pixels. So today we will gonna talk about that how to make this image HD and remove these pixels. So to make the images HD, click here, image, then select image size. You can also press Alt Ctrl I to open image size. Click here, this type of window will show in your front of you. Make its resolution to 72% and make sure that the pixels is selected, because the images are in the form of the pixels. And this is the width of the pixel and this is the height of the pixels. When you increase or decrease the width of the pixels, the height of the pixels will automatically change. So remove this one and select 3000. You can see the before and the after. This is the after and this is the before. You can see the pixels. You can also increase its width or height and make sure that the resample is checked and select bicubic smoother. You can also click here to press Alt plus 4 to select this. Now press OK. Now the image is more HD than the before. You can see this image has become HD. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Then click on the filter, go to others and select high pass. Make its radius to about 30 and press OK. Now blend this layer to the linear light. You can also blend it over overlay. I think the overlay is best. Now decrease its opacity. It adds a sharpness in our image. You can easily see that this is the before, this is after. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.